Welcome to the course for PowerShell scripting and automation for SQL Server Database Administration class. This is my channel, and in this today video, we are going to learn how we can remove the header. What is the mean of header means? Sometime it's whenever you are running the SQL Server, SQL code, and you are getting some result, then you will see the output, which one you will get, it will give some header information. Just example, I have one query, some TSQL code, and this TSQL query I am saving into one variable, and I want to execute using the invoke SQL CMD. This is the commandlets in the PowerShell. If I'm going to execute this, let's see what is the result I am getting now. So I will execute it. And what I have given, I have taken this result into one file, and the file is nothing but it is going to be saved in this location. Even I can print this also. So GC means get content. It is going to display whatever thing I have print. So only this much of work we am doing. Till now I am executing only this much of a script, means it is just, let's see what is the result I am getting now. Now what I'm getting that header information also. It is going to give name and then this line and then some result, whatever TSQL SQL code I have executed, according to that I have get the result. Same value I have saved into this variable. So here also you can see I am getting this kind of result. But some of the time, what is going to be happen for the DBAs, or if you are working as a developer, you have to take the all value one by one, and you have to create some some script you have to develop, or you have to use the each line. So for that, sometime it is not required this header information. That is the first thing we are going to learn, how we can remove this. We will get only the information about the values, not header information. Second thing we are going to learn, that is, you can see here, I'm getting some blank line. Like you can see, this is the first line. It's don't having any values, right? You can see here first, then second, we got some value name, that is the header information, this two line. Then after that, 1 2 3 is the actual value which one we want. After that, again, if I'm pressing arrow mark, you can see that this value, it is blank line. 1 2 3 4 3 1 2 3. This 3 is the blank. After that, if I'm pressing arrow mark, it is not going down. Maybe in your case also, whenever you are trying to develop any program, you will get this kind of problem. So we are going to learn how we can solve this kind of problem. So some of the time it's required you to just rotate into the loop, right? So that time maybe you will not get the correct result. Let's see. We will start now. Okay, so I'm going one more thing. I'm trying to do it here. My requirement is I have to create one backup script. Just example, it is just for example, for understanding purpose. What I want, whatever result I have get, I have to take the all result. I have to prepare one script. Just example purpose I have given here. Means I have to use this code and I have to add that value which one I am getting here. So actually this value is only this much, because I am not getting, my result is coming correct, but I'm not getting what value I want, how I want my result. So it is not coming. So what I'm going to do, if I'm going to execute this, let's see what is going to be happen. I'm using the for each. For each means it's taking the value, it is going to be placed here, and then next it is going to display into this, right? Because whatever value we have get it here, this all value I'm saving into this variable. So let's see what is the result now. Now you can see I'm getting this kind of result, right? What happened here into the first line, because my first line was blank, right? It's don't having anything. So what happened is generated the result, backup database, and then here it is the name, but there was blank, so no result is came here, right? To disk and whatever it is. Second is it's given the name, it's given the dot dot two line, and then after that you can see the three. Actually, if you will see, my script is, we have to build only these things, right? This three line is only correct. Remaining everything is coming. Why? Because we have because of extra line and header information, it is generated this kind of result. So the first things, if you want to remove the header information from your PowerShell using the PowerShell script, or you are generating something using the SQL Server, you are running the script and you are getting the result, what you have to do, just you can write these things. That's called format table. Format table, hide table header. If you are going to execute now, this header information, it is not going to be displayed. So what I'm going to do, I will delete this. Okay, and I'm going to execute now. Now you can see the header information is not going to display, right? If I only the result, if you will see, the value is correct, but if you want to use it, again there is a blank line. Like you can see the first line, second, this is the first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7. This is a 7 line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So in this, my first is blank line, then second, third, fourth is actual value, then after that this 3 is blank. Even the blank also, it is taken by the PowerShell and it is generated the script, whatever. This is just for example purpose for you, right? Now what we can do, so we can remove this one, it should not has to display, and remaining this two also, it should not has to display. For that, what we will able to do, you can write the for each object. For each object, it is going to rotate into the loop and it is going to display you the actual result. So you can use that $_trim. What is the $_trim? I have already explained in my PowerShell scripting and automation for SQL Server DBA. If you want to learn more thing, you can go to this course and you can buy this this one. And if you want something called a coupon code, you can direct contact with me. You can just comment into this video. I will give the link also. If you are going to message me or comment, you are giving the comment, I'm going to give you the coupon code, so price will be go lesser, right? It is, you will get in the very less price. Even there is one more course I have already released for the PowerShell for HTML. Here also you will get coupon if you are going to give some comment and you are going to ask from me, and you will purchase in the very less price. So if you are going to add, now come to the here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this value here, and now I'm going to run this. So this line is used for removing that your header information, and this is for removing the extra blank line. So if I'm going to execute this, sorry, I got something error. Okay, now you can see this this is the correct result which one I am getting. Even if I will go and if I don't want to print this 3 value, I have to hash this. Because of that, I'm getting that values where it is written get content here. So I will hash this, so I will not get the result. So now you can see my value is also correct. Even if I will want to my count, what is my count? Count is also 3. Actually it has to be 3 value only. So before, I have not shown you what is the count. So what I will do, again, I will just go back and I will show you before what was the count for me. Okay, so if I'm executing, my result was not correct and it was giving the count was 8, it was giving, right? That is not the correct value. So if you are going to use in this way, means my actual value, which one we have to work, that is the 3 only, right? Because of empty line and the header information, it is giving the count is 8, right? So if you want to remove the header information, and if you want to remove this thing, I will just do this one. This is the only the thing. So you can add that format table, hide table header, and you can use the change into the out string, and you can go with the for each object and now execute. Now you can see the proper value. If you want, you can hash this. So you will not get the result, and the count is also, you will get the 3. and actual value, which one we are getting, that is also 3. And you can see in this file, it is removed the all blank line. So like this, you will be able to develop the script. So for more PowerShell script related to the SQL Server, please visit my channel or you can contact with me. And please subscribe this channel if you want to become the PowerShell developer and you want to do some coding. And this my class is totally based on the SQL DBA only, who is the SQL DBA and want to build the career using the PowerShell, or they want to something automate using the PowerShell. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel. Please like this channel, so I will get the motivated and I will try to release new video. Thank you so much.